How to turn off private browsing on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you turn off private browsing mode on your iPhone Safari. So let's get started. First, as you have to open the browser Safari on your iPhone. After you open Safari and you are in the private browsing, to exit or close that, you'll have to tap on tabs icon at the bottom right corner. It will look like with two squares. After you tap on that, at the top right corner of private browsing section, tap on cross icon. After you tap on that, you'll be able to close that private browsing. Not from your, you'll have to just tap on the option add new tab or your previous tab just at the right hand section of your private. After you tap on that, you'll be able to add regular browsing on your Safari. And that's it. You are now out of your private mode on Safari. If this helped you, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.